In this video, we will look at the Odoo 19 planning tools to show you how its smart features make scheduling your team faster and easier than ever before.
Once the final schedule is set, it's time to share it with your staff. To get started, click the Publish button on top of the menu. A confirmation window will appear, summarizing the period being shared and the employee list included in the update. You will also find a text field here to include a personalized message, perfect for adding a quick note of encouragement. After the final review, click Publish and Send. Odoo 19 will then perform a quick audit and notify if any employees are missing a configured email address, ensuring no one is left out of the loop. To finalize everything, simply hit Save and Send Schedule. Just like that, your team is notified and your planning is officially live. The planning module uses specific colors coding to give you an instant snapshot of your team status without needing to click into every individual shift. Here's the key styles you will encounter. Solid full color. This presents shifts that are fully planned and published. Diagonal stripes. This pattern indicates the shifts that are planned but not yet published. And gray out background. A gray out section means an employee is in time off. These colors help you to see the empty spots in your schedule and stay organized with almost no effort. Once you publish the schedule, Odoo automatically sends an email notification to your team. From this email, employees have two quick options. They can click Add to Calendar to sync the shifts with their personal schedule, or select View Planning to see the full layout. This ensures that your team can always access their hours, whether they are at the desk or checking it on to go. By default, Odoo 19 allows employees to swap shifts, and this feature is always active to keep your planning flexible. Once a schedule is published, an employee can request a change by simply clicking on the shift they cannot make it and selecting Ask to Switch. The shift stays assigned to the original employee, but shift replacement becomes visible to other team members who share the same role. If a colleague wants to cover the shift, they just click the I Take It button. Odoo updates everything automatically, so your team can easily trace shifts without needing you to go back and forth. Odoo has a great option to preview and print schedule. Let's begin with printing. Note that you can print only on Gantt or Calendar view. Under Calendar, simply click on Print button and the PDF file will automatically download. To preview a specific employee schedule, navigate to the Gantt view, click on Action and select Preview. Simply enter the employee's name and hit the Preview button. This allows you to see exactly what your staff will see when they receive their notification email. Keep in mind that this feature is only functional once the schedule has been posted.
With these smart tools and visual insights, you can fill your whole schedule in seconds and stay organized with almost no effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips.